In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an event on Eventbrite. We'll walk through the updated 2026 process step by step, so by the end, you'll have a polished event page ready to share. First, head to eventbrite.com. If you're new, create an account. If you've used Eventbrite before, simply sign in with your usual credentials. Once you're in, click your profile icon, go to Manage My Events, and choose Create Event. Right away, you'll pick the type of event you're hosting, in person, online, or hybrid. Eventbrite lets you build the page from scratch or follow a guided setup. If you prefer a checklist-style flow, the guided option can help you move efficiently through each section. Next, add the basic event details. Give your event a clear, descriptive name and choose a category that helps people find it, such as music, business, or education. Set the location or mark it as online. If you're hosting virtually, then choose the date and time. Write an inviting description that covers what attendees can expect, who it's for, and any key highlights. Aim for concise, benefit-focused language so visitors quickly understand the value of attending. Now, create your tickets. Open the ticket section and select Add Ticket Type. Pick whether the ticket is free, paid, or donation. Set the price and quantity, and give each ticket a name that tells buyers what they're getting, like VIP or general admission. Clear names and accurate quantities help prevent confusion at checkout and at the door. With tickets in place, customize your event page to make it stand out. Add images or posters that reflect your brand or theme, include an agenda or schedule if you have one, and link any relevant videos to build excitement. Don't forget organizer information so attendees know who's behind the event and how to learn more. Set up your registration form to capture the details you need from attendees. You can include custom questions to gather information that will help with planning, accessibility, or follow-up, keeping the form as short as possible to encourage completion. When everything looks ready, click Publish. Your event goes live immediately. From there, share your event link, use the QR code for flyers or signage, and post to your social channels to reach your audience quickly. Before you publish, take a final moment to double-check the date and time, ticket prices, location, and spelling in your description. A quick review now protects your attendees' experience and saves you time later. And that's it. You've created your event on Eventbrite, and you're ready to start selling tickets.